Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Google Spreadsheets has a lot of cool things, and one of them is the comments and the notes. So if you right-click on an object on a cell, you'll get an option for adding a comment, Control-Alt-M, or inserting a note. Now, what's the difference? A quick difference, and it's a significant one, is when you add a note, just click off and your note will appear when you hover over it. But there is no option to share that note. In fact, there's no option to save that note as a new doc or a new sheet or any of that stuff. Slightly different is the comment. So here's a new comment. And here's my two comments. And now I can link to this comment and or delete. So you see that there's a difference here. I can link to this comment, copy the link, done, Control T, Control V, paste, and it opened up the comment for me automatically. So that's the two differences that I have found between comments and notes in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and happy computing.